This is very sharp, and we are going to further our learning for Lenormand cards, which is only basic, and I changed the location actually for some reasons. We have learned certain things, basic things about Lenormand. I really hope that you have put that down on paper if you're genuinely interested in working with them, and try to use these basic meanings, especially in the beginning. Do not add anything further, but also at the same time, please be careful of giving it a particular meaning in a like a situation thing, because the cards before, after, or around it can make quite some difference. So keeping that in mind, we go ahead with the card number 11, which is known as whip, or in ancient times, previously they used to call it rod. Whip. This is not a nice card to get. However, the meaning may vary, as I told you before, on the surroundings. Whip is usually strife, argument, conflict. It is usually heated arguments. It is usually aggressive words. Whip also indicates repetition of something. It sometimes means, sorry to say, punishment too. And literally, in some cases, which is something that I'm telling you as an additional information, sometimes it literally means broom, because whip looks like something like a broom, which was in the old age times. Usually when it comes, it's aggressive arguments, it shows conflict, it is a card of disharmony. In some cases there are other meanings to it, but then right now I have kept it for basic information to be given to you. This can also mean repetition, but it doesn't mean repetition like continuous repetition. It is like it can happen again. It is gonna work again, or it may mean that as well. So I think this is enough for whip right now. We would go to the next card and meet you there. Bye.